Hey guys! In this video we have our last point to talk about. Remember that electronegativity is how much an atom wants an electron. So when two atoms are bound together, there's a tug-of-war for the electrons. We've talked about what happens when two atoms of really different electronegativities bond, and when two super duper strong atoms with really high electronegativities bond. But what if both sides are super duper weak? What if two super weak atoms are playing tug-of-war? No one would win. They're so weak they can barely pick up the rope, so there's barely any pulling going on. This is exactly what happens between carbon and hydrogen. There is absolutely barely any pulling on the electrons, and it's just enough to keep carbon bound to hydrogen and hydrogen bound to carbon. So, whenever we have two atoms that are playing tug-of-war and neither atom is super electronegative or super strong, then the electrons are also shared equally. This bond is also called nonpolar covalent. Let's practice.